Good morning, ma'am. I'm Sadanand Jori. So this PPT I have made for the data analytic oral examination. So this all are the answer I have put it here. So this is the outline for this PPT. So first question is about execution. Second is theoretical, and the third is theoretical plus coding I have to do in this question, and the fourth is about explanation about this data visualization in Python. So we will see the first question, that is the execution. So I have given the problem statement. So oh, I have to create a data frame of 10 students along with name, roll number, and marks, and including I have to include the NaN values in those marks. Okay, and also I have to remove that NaN values. So I have created one program. So we will see it here. Mm. So this is my program for the 10 student data frame. So first of all, I have imported the pandas and numpy library. So I have assigned the data name as a data. It is nothing but list. So in the list, I have assigned the roll number as 11 to 20, and the name as Sadanand, Aniket, Abhay, Karan, Arjun, Kunal, Yesh, Om, Sachin, Pooja. These all are the 10 names I have assigned, and the marks I have given to the students as 10. 10 column I have given it here. So first of all, I have assigned for the Sadanand 78, Aniket I have assigned 81. For the Abhay I have given here NaN values, and for the Karan and all this having I have assigned, and for the Om I have assigned NaN value here. So by using the df variable, creating df variable, I'm creating the data frame by using the pandas library. So in this data frame, I'm inserting data, and for this data I'm creating the index number for this one data frame. So index is from 1 to 10. So uh, I'm printing the this df variable here. So by running this code, I'm getting this answer as you are seeing. This is the data frame that by using panda library it has been created. Okay, so first of all, here the roll number from the 11 to 20. Here the names from 10, for the 10 students, and here are the marks. So you are seeing it here. For the abhay, there is a NaN value I have assigned, and for the Om, I have assigned NaN value. So I have to remove this NaN value. So how can we remove this NaN values? By using one simple function, that is the df dot dropna is the function that removes this NaN value. Okay, we will see the result by using this dropna value. Okay, so by using dropna value I'm getting this result. So you are seeing it here. There is no value for the Om and the abhay. There is a remove. They have removed this row for this Om and abhay. So I have removed this NaN value, so by using this dropna function. So we will see the next PPT. That is I have assigned the second question as what should a data analyst do with missing or the suspected data. So first of all, you have to understand that you need to create a validation report to contain in that containing all information about the suspected or the missing data. And second one is that uh, replace all the invalid data with the proper validation code. So you have to create one new code for the validation. And the third one is the method, that is the deletion method. So there are the several methods in here. So single imputation is one method we are using for the data analyzing strategies to detect missing data. Okay. And fourth one is scrutinize. So we can scrutinize the suspicious data to access their validity, to assess their validity. Okay. So we are moving to third question. So third question is here. So in this third question, they wants to they wants to explain and perform the probability distribution. Okay. So for the probability distribution, the probability distribution is a statical function that describes all the possible values and likelihood that a random variable can take within a given range. Okay. So it's a random experiment defined as a result of an experiment. We can take one example, that coin toss. We know that coin toss. If you toss a coin, that then you don't know the what will be the expected answer will be there. Expected distribution will be there. So for this one, for this one, if you toss the coin, there will be the toss also, there will be the head and there will be tail also. We don't know, we can't predict that probability. For this coin toss, there is a sample spaces to head, tail, head, and and the probability to getting the head, that is the 0.51 by 2. And for the getting the tail, there is also zero point 0.5 probability. So we will see the what are the probability types. So first is the cumulative probability. So in this cumulative, that is the continuous time, continuous probability distribution. And the second one is the discrete probability distribution. Well, okay, so we will see by the example. Okay. So we are inserting this all pandas library, numpy, and matplot library. For the matplot library, we are using for the visualization, for the plotting the graph. But now here we are not using any plotting graph. So, and next one is scipy library, we are using for the statistical value, statistical value. So first code is here. So first one is we are using it here. So cdf function. Okay, it generates the random variable from the specified distribution. So by running this code, we are getting this zero point 0.5. So what is this function is actually doing it here? So here is the we are assigning the value x, that is the the line in the line x value we are putting the 2.5, and the distribution start from the 0 to 10. So we are checking the cutoff for this 2.5. Okay. So there is so we are getting the 0.25. That means there is a 25% chance of chance to get value fall down below the 2.5%, 2.5. Okay. So we are just understanding the what is the prediction, I mean, uh, what will be the value falls down below this x value. That means here is 2.5, and we are calculating the what will be the prediction, the or the falls down value below this 2.5. So here we are getting 0.25. That means the 25% it will falls down below. And second program is here. So we are using this function style.uniform.ppf. It returns the x-axis. it returns the x-axis cutoff value associated with the given probability. Basically, we asking the what x-axis value would be needed to set the data. So first of all, we are using this ppf function. In this function, the quantitative, we are assigning the quantitative value as zero point 0.4, and this distribution start from the 0 log 0 to 10, up to 10. So just basically we need to set to slice of 40% of distribution to the left of it. So by running this code, this is giving us the 40% value. So next code is for the pdf function. pdf function. So we are using it for loop for the range. X is having the range from the -1 to 12. Okay. So the distribution pdf is nothing but for it is we are using this pdf function for the continuous distribution. Hmm. uh, so it gives you the it gives actual probability density, that means height of the distribution at any given x value. Okay, for the any given x value, we are calculating this one. So so we are getting this value as a -1. -1 is value as 0 0, because we have assigned here starting distribution value from the 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10. So first of all, -1 is not from is it not in this scale? Okay, now we are from 0 to 10, and -1 is outside this our scale. So we are assigning, so the value is getting here, so 0 for the 0. And for the 11 also the same case is here. So 11 is outside of our scale, so we are getting the value 0. And for the value is in our is in our is in our distribution. That value is given by the 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 for the 2 5. This all are the our expected density x value. So this is the third question has completed. So we will move on the fourth question. So fourth question is that we are sorry we are visualizing the visualization data visualization in Python. This is a optional question. So I have taken the data visualization in Python. So we know that data visualization is the presentation of data in a graphical format for the better understanding and summarizing easily. We will use this visualization in the Python. In the visual for the visualization, we can use the matplot library. So library, it will allows us to draw the graphs like bar chart, histogram, line chart, scatter plot, heat map, and scatter plot. And all this graph we will get easily by using this matplot library. So data visualization, it will helps us to getting the information quickly and understanding the easily the data, how the data has been inserted here. So for that purpose, we are using this visualization in Python. So it's simply complex quantitative information, and it helps to analyze and explore big data easily. So these all are the points I have mentioned here. So identifies the relationship between the data point and variable. We will get easily difference between the how the data has been assigned here. So what is the value here given? So easily we can understand by visualizing the data or the plotting the graph. Okay. So thank you, ma'am. This is all my data analytics oral questions. Thank you, ma'am.